Hi everyone, welcome to the Masters Education YouTube channel. This is Satya. Today our topic is bills receivable books and bills payable books, and also pro forma of bills receivable and bills payable book, and how to prepare bills receivable and bills payable books with an example. Now coming to problem on bills receivable and bills payable. The preparation of bills receivable and bills payable book is explained through the following examples. Now coming to here 2019, that is July 1st, acceptance received from Sita rupees 5000 rupees payable after 3 months. Now coming to July 20, it is acceptance given to Geeta bill of for rupees 3000 payable after 3 months. Whereas now coming to July 31st, acceptance received from Sujata rupees 1000 rupees payable after 60 days. Now coming to August 5, it is Sweta bill for rupees 1000 rupees then payable after 6 months accepted. Now coming to August 11th, Lata's acceptance for rupees 700 payable after 90 days received. This is bill receivable and bills payable prepared as follow. Before we going to preparation of bills receivable and bills payable, we knowing some details about what is bills receivable and what is bills payable, like that. We are coming to discuss about bills receivable and bills payable book. And every trader has two types of bills. One is bills receivable and another one is bills payable. Here bills receivable is an asset or it is an debitors account. We all already know debitors is related to persons. The bills receivable account is also related to persons. Now we are discussing about what is bills receivable. Bills receivable is an agreement between two parties. When the time of credit sales, the buyer is agreed to pay sum of amount in future. It is specific date. It is within written form of the document they given to, then buyer is accepted that written form. It is called the bills receivable. Whereas now we are going to bills payable. In this book, all bills drawn by the creditors and accepted by the trader are entered. Has been several columns for the recorded in particulars of bills. The total bills of book is credited to the bills payable book. That means bills payable book is on liabilities related, and also it is related to creditors closely. It is personal account. When the time of credit purchases, the two parties are agreed to pay sum of amount in future or specific date within written form. This written form is called as bills payable. Now we are going to format of bills receivable and bills payable. Now coming to format of bills receivable book. Bills receivable book, it have 7 columns. One is date of the receipt bill, then second one is from whom bill is received, then third one is terms of the bill, then fourth one due date of the bill, then next one ledger portfolio, then sixth one amount, seventh one, this is last one, this is remarks related. Now we are coming to, we discuss about in column wise all columns. Now coming to date. In this column, the date of the acceptance of the bill is recorded. So here every transactions have one specific date. That's the taken date is taken as this side. For example, 1st March capital introduced business. This is on date of the transaction. Like that, every transaction have one date. Now coming to from whom is received. Here this is bill received from whom. In this column, the name of the debitors or name of the buyer we are written as who has accepted the bill and promised to make payment. He give and promised to me and writing written form is recorded. The bill is legally comes into extension after the acceptance. Without acceptance, bill is not enrolled. Now coming to terms or period of the bill. The bill is drawn for a specific period. This period of maybe 1 month or 2 months, 3 months, etc. Even 60 days or 90 days or 120 days, etc. The period of the bill worth is has been drawn on the mention of here. Every item in the format of the bills receivable book, it is all are written form in the at the time of bill acceptance. Now coming to due date. Due date is the date on which payment is bill actually due. It is also known as the date of the maturity. In order to calculate the due date, 3 days of grace are added the terms of bill. It is grace period of the bill. Now we are coming to ledger portfolio. We are already known ledger portfolio. We are prepared already journal, ledger, subsidiary books. Whereas this is also similar than that. In this column contains the page number of the ledger in which the account of acceptance bill is appearance. Now coming to amount of the bill. Here actual amount of the bill we are recorded in these columns. Amount in the given currency. In India is written as rupees. Now we are coming to remarks. This column is contain the details of the disposal of. Now we are coming to format of bills payable book. It is similar to bills receivable book. Now we are coming to it's also same 7 columns. One is date of acceptance of bill. Then second one is to whom accepted is given. Then third one is terms of the bill. Fourth one is due date of the bill. Then fifth one is ledger portfolio. Sixth one is amount. Seventh one is remarks. We are already discussed about all these columns in bills payable receivable, so we don't need to once. Now we are going to given problem. Now coming to problem, it is problem on bills receivable and bills payable book. The preparation of bills receivable and bills payable book is explained through the following example. Here date is 2019 July 1st. Acceptance received from Sita for rupees 5000 payable after 3 months. Whereas 20 July it is acceptance given to Geeta bill for rupees 3000 payable after 3 months. Now coming to July 31st, acceptance received from Sujata for rupees 1000 payable after 60 days. Now coming to August 5th, that is Sweta bills for rupees 1000 rupees payable after 6 months accepted. Now coming to 11th August, Lata acceptance for rupees 700 rupees payable after 90 days. Here we are already discussed about this problem on first. Now we can take first transaction to go to the preparation of bills receivable book. Now coming to transaction 1, that is 1st July acceptance received from Sita for rupees 5000 payable after 3 months. Now coming to explain about all details of the this format. Now coming to date of the receipt of bill. Here the given date is July 1st. It is posted in this year. Now coming to whom bill is received. Here name of the person or name of the buyer. It is related to written here. It is Sita. Now coming to terms of the bill. Here the condition is main condition is bill is written on based on terms. It is months. Here 3 months or 90 days. Now coming to due date of the bill. Here every bill is have some a specific date. In this transaction it is 3 months and with added grace period of the bill. Every bill is grace period is 3 days. That's the reason we are coming to July. July 1st to August 1st is 1 month. August 1st to September 1st is 2 months. September 1st to October 1st is 3 months. Then add extra 3 days, that is 1 2 3, it is October 4th. So here date of the due date of the bill is 4th date. Now coming to ledger portfolio, it is related to transaction where you taken from ledger, related ledger, here written here. Now coming to amount is given amount. Then amount is based on the given transaction. This problem is given is 5000 rupees. Then go to last one, that is remarks. Remarks is means by the proof of the this transaction, it is true or not, it is work or not working, like that they given and written here. Any endorsement is written here. Now we are going to post this transaction in bills receivable book. After completion of transaction, the pro forma of bills receivable book is look like this. Now coming to date of the receipt, that is 29th 2019 July 1st. Now coming to name of the receiver, here are name of the buyer, it is Sita. Now coming to terms, terms is given transaction, it is 3 months. Now coming to due date, it is starting date is 1st July, then after 3 months it is taken as October 1st, then add extra 3 days, this is grace period of the bill, it is October 4th. Now coming to amount, is given amount is 5000. Remarks, there is no remarks in this problem, so we can accept. Then go to another transaction. Now we are coming to another transaction, that is July 20, acceptance given to Geeta, bill for 3000 rupees and payable after 3 months. Before we go to the prepare this transaction, first how should we identify it is bills receivable or bills payable? It is easily identified with the help of the words in given transaction. In the acceptance is received, it is related to bills receivable. Then acceptance is given, it is related to payable. The received is related to receivable. Then given is related to issues and payment, like that. Now we are going to bills payable book. Now we are coming to second transaction, that is July 20, acceptance given to Geeta, bill for rupees 3000 payable after 3 months. It is an example transaction for bills payable. Now coming to posting, the date of the acceptance of the bill. In given problem, July 20 is date of the acceptance of bill. Now coming to whom acceptance is given. Here this problem, the Geeta is the acceptor, she is the creditors to the our company. Now we are coming to terms of the bill. So here how many days are written the bill, here 3 months, so this date is taken here. Now according to here 3 months is data is written as. Now coming to due date of the bill, here which date, how many days, 3 months. Now coming to July 22, August 20 1 month, August 22 September 20 2 months, then September to October 20 3 months. Then add extra 3 days, that is grace period of the bill, it is related to October 23. Here October 23 is due date of the bill. Now coming to ledger portfolio, ledger portfolio is related to the transaction number in ledger. Now coming to amount, amount is given, amount is written, it is 3000 rupees. Now we are coming to last one, that is remarks. If any remarks they can write here, without any remarks they can tick mark and agree. Now we are coming to post this transaction in bills receivable. Then after posting of this transaction in bills payable book, the book is appearance like this. The date of acceptance of bill is given the transaction, it is 20 July. Now coming to acceptance is whom, it is related to Geeta. Geeta is creditors of the hour. Now coming to terms of the bill, terms of the bill is given, the how many days is written this form, it is 3 months. Now coming to due date of the bill, it is due date of the bill, it is include with grace period also. Naturally this is July 20, August 20, September 20, October 20 is 3 months is completed, but extra 3 days is added after, that is the due date of the bill, it is October 23rd. Now coming to amount, amount is given amount based on the transaction, it is 3000 rupees. The remarks, there is no remarks, we accepted. Now coming to another transaction, third transaction, July 31st, acceptance received from Sujata for rupees 1000 payable after 60 days. Here we identify with the help of acceptance received, it is related to receivables. Now we are going to receivables book. Here, according to given transaction, the date of the receipt of bill is given July 31st. Now coming to from whom bill is received. Here the name of the seller is Sujata. Now we are going to terms of the bill. Here they give grace period, or the given period is 60 days. It is 2 months or 60 days. Now we are going to due date of the bill. Here according to this problem, July 31st, it is due date of the bill, it is October 2, total added after grace period. So October 2 is Gandhi Jayanti, so that's why reason we can consider as October 1 is grace period of the or due date of the bill. Now we are going to ledger portfolio. Ledger portfolio is the number is written as the ledger of this related transaction. Now we are going to amount. The given amount is 1000 rupees. We can post here. Then remarks, any remarks in this problem we can as cross mark. If it is true, we can accept it. Now we are going to prepare this transaction in book. Now coming to after posting of this transaction in bills receivable book, like this, total 2019 July 31st, it is date of the receipt of bill. Now coming to whom bill is received. Here the name of the buyer is Sujata. Now coming to terms of the bill, his given period is 60 days. Now coming to due date of the bill. So note here, according to due date, here October 2 is due date, but the date is national holiday. That's why reason we can take as previous day, that is October 1st. Now we are going to amount. Amount is 1000 rupees. This transaction is completed. Now we are going to another transaction. Coming to another transaction, that is August 5th, Sweta bill for 1000 rupees payable after 6 months accepted. It is based on accepted bill. It means it is payable bill, bills payable. Now we are going to bills payable book. Now coming to given transaction, it is 4th August, Sweta bill for 1000 rupees payable after 6 months accepted. Here clearly defined accepted bill, it is related to bills payable. Now coming to date of the acceptance of the bill, it is August 5th. Now coming to the creditor's name, here the given creditor's name is Sweta. Now coming to terms of the bill, here clearly they can define it is 6 month. Now coming to due date of the bill, it is related to based on given date, it is August 5th. Then after 6 months, it is like August, September, October, November, December, January, Feb. It is after 6 months. Then Feb 5th is date is 6 months is completed. Then add extra 3 days. It is grace period of the bill. It is Feb 8 is due date of the bill. Now coming to ledger portfolio, there is no details is given in this problem. Now coming to amount. Amount is on based on given problem. This is 1000 rupees. Now coming to remarks, there is no remarks. Now post as in this book. Now coming to after posting this transaction in bills payable book, the date of the acceptance of the bill, it is clearly defined in problem. This is 2019 August 5. Now coming to name of the creditor, it is Sweta. Now coming to terms of the bill, it is 6 months in given problem. Now coming to due date of the bill, it is 6 months after given date. It have August 5 to February 5, it is 6 months. Then add after 3 days, it is grace period of the bill, it is February 8. Now coming to amount column, it is 1000 rupees. There is no remarks. Now this is transaction is complete. Now we are going to another transaction. Now coming to last transaction, that is August 11th, Lata accepted for 700 payable after 90 days received. Here clearly defined after 90 days received. Here it is related to received bills. Now we are going to prepare receivables. Here the given transaction is on 11th August. Lata accepted for rupees 700 payable after 90 days received. Here according to this transaction, date of the receipt of bill is August 11. Now coming to who is received bill. Here the Lata is name of the buyer. Now coming to buyer or debitors. Now coming to terms of the bill. Here they can clearly define 90 days after the term of the bill. Due date of the bill, this transaction due date of the bill is November 12. Now we are going to amount is given 700 rupees. Then there is no remarks. This transaction is posted in bills receivable book like this. 2019 August 11 is date of the receipt of the bill. Now coming to Lata is creditor. Now coming to 90 days is terms of the bill. Due date of the bill is November 12. The amount is 700. Then remarks, there is no remarks. Now going to another transactions. In given problem, all transactions are completed, so we can calculate both bills receivable and bills payable. Now we are coming to total of bills receivable book. It is 5000 plus 1000 plus 700. It is 6700. This transaction is completed and also bills receivable book is closed for this month. Now we are coming to important information about 2019 July 31st transaction. It is a bill received from Sujatas. The actual due date is October 2nd. It is an Gandhi Jayanti. It is public holiday. That's why reason we can consider as October 1 is due date. It's clear. Now we are going to bills payable and calculation of bills payable. Bills payable book also there is no any another transactions, so we can calculate total. It is 3000 plus 1000, it is 4000. Now problem is completed. Any doubts on this class, please post on comments, and also if you want full notes of this class, follow our link I am given in description. And also if you are like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos and share with your friends.